Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making Alfredo sauce, my secret recipe that has never failed me. Creamy, smooth, and simple, it's super easy to make with only 4 ingredients that you probably already have on hand, and it's ready in less than 30 minutes. My friends like to say once you try my homemade Alfredo sauce recipe, you will never buy Alfredo sauce again. If this is your first time on our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives. And we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with your friends and family, like this delicious homemade Alfredo sauce. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and you'll find the entire recipe in the description box below. Before you start, get the pasta water boiling and grate the Parmesan cheese because this recipe goes quickly. I'm using a half a cup of unsalted butter so I can control the amount of salt in the recipe. Cut it into pieces and melt it over medium-low heat in a large saucepan. Add 2 cups of heavy cream. I use heavy whipping cream, which has a higher fat amount and makes a rich, delicious sauce. Let this simmer for about 2 minutes. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell to know when we've posted a new recipe. I add about 3 cloves of minced garlic to start. Don't skimp on the garlic, it makes this sauce taste amazing. Because garlic cloves vary in size, I like to taste my Alfredo sauce to see if it needs another clove or 2 of garlic. But if you're not a fan of garlic, you can leave it out. This recipe is all about the Parmesan. For this recipe, I'll be using 8 ounces of freshly grated Parmesan for the most delicious, absolutely best Alfredo sauce that you've tasted in your entire life. Add the Parmesan cheese, stirring to melt into the cream mixture. For the best results, I use a block of Parmigiano Reggiano from the grocery store. Don't use the grated powdered Parmesan or the pre-shredded Parmesan, which has a powdery coating. They won't melt into the sauce and it won't taste as good either. The Parmesan cheese has a bit of salt in it, so after the cheese is melted, I'll add the salt to taste so our recipe doesn't end up too salty. I don't find that I have to add flour to thicken this sauce. I'll cook it on low for about 3 or 4 minutes until it thickens. While the sauce is finishing, it's time to cook our pasta. Your water should be boiling. Add about a tablespoon of kosher salt to the water, and then cook the pasta according to the directions on the box. At our house, we like to serve this with thin spaghetti, and I add it right into my sauce and toss it to coat. The Alfredo sauce will thicken slightly as it cools. Tonight, we're serving it right out of the pot, adding some parsley, freshly ground pepper, and grated cheese on top. Thank you so much for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support really means so much to us. If you love to entertain, check out our playlist of dessert recipes and potluck favorites, all simple to make, and I guarantee they taste incredible. You can serve this with grilled chicken breast or grilled shrimp, and you can also add peas and bacon for an easy spaghetti carbonara. Remember to subscribe before you leave so you know when we've posted a new recipe. Here's some more great recipes I think you'll like, and I'll see you in the next video.